Good morning, dear children. In this video, we will understand the numericals of chapter number 8, motion. First example is example 8.1. An object travels 16 meters in 4 seconds, then another 16 meters in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? Average speed is equal to total distance covered divided by total time taken. So how much is the total distance covered? This is 16 meters plus 16 meters. So 32 meters, that is the total distance covered. And total time taken is equal to 4 seconds plus 2 seconds. As you can see from the question here, first 16 meters they are covered in 4 seconds and the next 16 meters they are covered in 2 seconds. So total time taken will be 6 seconds. So we have average speed. It is equal to total distance covered divided by total time taken, 32 divided by 6, and this is equal to 5.33 meter per second. So this is example 8.1. Now next example is example 8.2. The odometer of a car reads 2000 kilometer at the start of a trip and 2400 kilometers at the end of the trip. If the trip took 8 hours, calculate the average speed of the car in kilometer per hour and in meter per second. Now what is odometer? Odometer is that device which tells you the total distance covered by the car. So it records the distance covered by the car. So distance, how much distance is covered by the car? In the beginning, the reading in the odometer was 2000 kilometer, and in the end of the trip, the reading in the odometer is 2400 kilometers. So how much is the distance covered? It is 2400 kilometers minus 2000 kilometers, and this is equal to 400 kilometers. And time taken for the entire trip, it is 8 hours. So average speed is equal to total distance covered divided by total time taken. So distance covered 400 kilometers, time taken 8 hours. So we get 50 kilometer per hour. So this is our first answer. And the second answer should be in meter per second. So we are to convert this 50 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So how to do this? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters and 1 hour it is equal to 3600 seconds. So we multiply 50 with 1000 and divide it by 3600 and then we will solve it and it comes equal to 13.9 meter per second. So average speed will be 50 kilometer per hour or it is 13.9 meter per second. So these are two answers. Now third example, Usha swims in a 90-meter long pool. The length of the pool is 90 meters. She covers 180 meters in 1 minute by swimming from one end to another, one end to the other and back along the same straight path. So she covers the swimming pool and then she comes back. So 90 meters she covers while going and 90 meters she covers while she is coming back. Find the average speed and average velocity of Usha. Now average speed is total distance by total time taken and average velocity is displacement divided by time. So for finding average speed, we have to find the total distance covered by Usha. So she goes 90 meters, then comes back and covers 90 meters once again. So total distance covered by her will be 180 meters. So we have written total distance covered 180 meters. And time taken is 1 minute. So this 1 minute is converted to 60 seconds and then we get 180 divided by 60. So 180 by 60 is 3 meters per second. So average speed is 3 meters per second. Now average velocity, it is displacement by time. As initial and final point of Usha is same. She starts from one end, swims to the other end, then comes back to the same end once again. So her displacement is 0. So displacement 0, time taken is again 60 seconds. So 0 by 60, it is 0 meter per second. So answer is Average speed is 3 meter per second and average velocity is 0 meter per second.